2022 New Industrial Metal Cutting CNC Machining Center with linear guideways and automatic tool changer. VMC640 is an economic type of professional industrial metal cutting CNC machining center with linear guideways and automatic tool changer for metalworking projects. VMC640 CNC machining center is a type of heavy-duty and multi-purpose metalworking machine with automatic tool changer for face milling, shoulder milling, copy milling, slot milling, thread milling, and circular interpolation milling. And its spindle speed and feed rate are infinitely variable, so it is very convenient to choose the best cutting amount. It has the industrial features of high precision, high speed, constant torque, low run-out, strong stability, and long life. It is suitable for steel, aluminum, alloy, copper, stainless steel, iron machining. VMC640 CNC Machining Center is a high-end CNC metalworking CNC machining center, also known as a CNC mini machine. The tool magazine have 12 or 16 tools. Final type tool changer has a tool changing time 8 seconds. Arm type tool changer have a tool changing time 3 seconds only. Customers can choose the type of tool magazine that suits them according to their actual processing needs. Proficient in milling, drilling, and rigid taping, it is a good helper for machining workshop. VMC640 CNC Machining Center can also add a fourth axis to increase the machining angle of the tool and can reduce the repeated clamping of the workpiece, improve the overall machining accuracy of the workpiece, which is conducive to simplifying the process and improving production efficiency. Specifically, the fourth axis refers to the CNC indexing head of the machining center. It can complete the tasks that the three-axis machining center cannot process at one time. It can make the product realize multi-sided machining through rotation, which greatly improves the machining efficiency, reduce clamping times. The bed castings of the VMC640 CNC Machining Center are made from resin sand castings, which are artificially aged and have good stability. VMC640 CNC Machining Center adopts linear guide rail series. The guide rails are treated with wear-resistant plastic, which greatly reduces the friction between the guide rails, improves the motion. Using intermittent centralized lubrication, the machine tool moves smoothly and maintains good precision. Other features of VMC640 CNC Machining Center: 1. Convenient and efficient processing. When machining workpiece parts with complex shapes, the number of tooling can be greatly reduced. If you need to temporarily change the shape and size of the machine part during the machining process, you only need to modify the CNC program of the machine part. 2. High processing quality. The workpiece parts processed by the machining center have a stable quality, high accuracy, and repeatability. It can be used in modern industrial processing and manufacturing fields such as aerospace, ship propellers, and automobile box parts. 3. Fast processing efficiency. Machining centers are more efficient in small batches and multi-variety production, because it can reduce production preparation, equipment adjustment, and process inspection time. 4. Strong